Let's draw pumpkin anxiety. Hello friends. Welcome to a new video. Let's start by making the pumpkin. My favorite character from Inside Out is Disgust. Which one is yours? Then we will draw his hair, which is a little messy, don't you think? Very good. You are doing a good job. Then we will make the eyes. And finally, we will make the mouth. Oops! Let's not forget the eyebrows. He seems a little worried, right? It's time to paint. It's my favorite part. And what is your favorite part? What color is this? Correct. It's orange. A very bright or energetic color, like anxiety. Green. Black. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of these fantastic drawings. What a fun drawing! You draw very well.